Good evening children. 9th standard children, I want a response from you all after listening to the classes. You please send the comment in the classroom, Google Classroom. Today I am going to teach you the lesson My Childhood. Name of the lesson is My Childhood. I had sent the poem children yesterday, Lake of Innisfree, but it is not there now, it is cancelled. Now I am going to begin the lesson My Childhood. Can you think of any scientist who have also been a statesman? That is question for you. You have to think. Is there any scientist who have also been a statesman? That is, this lesson is going to be of APJ Abdul Kalam, whose projects in space, defense and nuclear technology guided India into the 21st century, became our 11th president in 2002. Abdul Kalam, he became the president of India in the year 2002. In his autobiography, this is autobiography means he himself has written about him, Wings of Fire. Autobiography, name of the autobiography is Wings of Fire. He speaks of his childhood. Here Abdul Kalam himself speaks of his childhood. So the name of the lesson is My Childhood. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in the erstwhile Madras state. Where he was born, children? He was born in Rameshwaram. Which family? Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in the erstwhile means former Madras state. Former Madras state. Now we call it as Chennai. My father, Jainullah Deen had neither much formal education nor much wealth. His father, what is the name of his father? Jainullah Deen. His father's name is Jainullah Deen, and he was neither much formal education nor much wealth. Means his father did not have education also, he did not have much wealth also. Despite these disadvantages, even though they had lot of disadvantages, they did not have wealth, they did not have education, but in spite of that, he possessed great innate wisdom. Now, innate meaning is there in your textbook, children. Innate is inborn quality or feeling in one's nature. Some of the qualities in us are inborn. By birth, we have some of the qualities that we call it as innate. He possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. He had generosity, udarate. Generosity means udarate. He had lot of generosity of spirit. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother. Who is that he here? He is Abdul Kalam's father. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother. He had ideal helpmate in my mother. Mother's name is here Ashiamma. What is his mother's name is given here? Ashiamma. I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day, but I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Now he is telling about his mother. What is he telling? That she fed so many people every day, but they are not family members, but outsiders, whoever came to her house, she fed them. I was one of many children. He has not mentioned there how many children, but he says that I was one of many children, a short boy. He was not so tall. Abdul Kalam you have seen in the television and all. A short boy with rather undistinguished looks means no special looks, not so handsome, not so beautiful. Born to tall and handsome parents. His parents were very handsome, but he says that I did not have a special look. Born to tall and handsome parents. Believed in an ancestral house. Ancestral house means inherited house. A house inherited from the parents, that is called ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. When it was built, 19th century, it was fairly large pakka house. It was very big house, pakka house made of limestone and brick, not kacha house. It was pakka house. Pakka house is made of limestone and brick. On the mosque street in Rameshwaram. Where was his house? In the mosque street of Rameshwaram. My austere father used to avoid. Austere means simple, strict and severe. Here austere means his father was very simple. At the same time he was very strict. My austere father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. Inessential means not necessary. Some things which were not necessary, he used to avoid those comforts and luxuries. Comforts means what? Everything we want, nice things. We want AC now, we want car. All those things are luxuries, which is not at all necessary. Without AC also we can live. Without car also we can live. So without big house also we can live in a small house. All those are comforts and luxuries. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine or clothes. But his father used to provide. Food he used to provide, medicine he used to provide, clothes he used to provide. But other things he was not so much bothered. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood. Secure meaning here is very safe childhood, both materially and emotionally. Materially means in terms of all things, food, clothing, shelter. Emotionally means with all the feelings. He used to understand what the feelings that son is undergoing, all that his parents used to understand. Emotionally also he was secure. So lot of love he got, care he got from the family. At the same time he was secure from materially also. Materially means in terms of things, worldly things. The Second World War broke out in 1939. When was the World War? Second World War? 1939. When I was 8 years old. When he was 8 years old, there was a World War. For reasons I have never been able to understand. He was not able to understand why the World War took place during that time. A sudden demand of tamarind seeds. Tamarind, huli. Tamarind seeds you all know, no? Tamarind seeds erupted in the market. Erupted means arised. Lot of demand was there for tamarind seeds. You all have no tamarind trees. Huli mara, hunse mara we say. Tamarind seeds erupted means arised. Erupted meaning is arised, came, erupted in the market. I used to collect the seeds. He used to collect the seeds. Who used to collect the seeds? Abdul Kalam used to collect the seeds and sell them to a provision shop on Mosque Street. He used to send that to the provision shop on Mosque Street. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of 1 anna. Princely sum means, here meaning is given, generous amount he used to get 1 anna. Anna means an old Indian coin worth about 6 paise. During that time it was a coin and which was worth 6 paise. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about the war which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines in Dinamani. Dinamani is a newspaper. Who used to tell him the stories? Jalaluddin, his brother-in-law, used to tell him the stories about what? About the World War which I would later attempt to trace. Means afterwards he used to read that in the headlines in Dinamani. Dinamani is a newspaper. Our area being isolated means alone. There were no so many houses and all. Area was so much isolated, not in the city. was completely unaffected by the war. Now villages and all are not affected when the war takes place. Some of the villages, interior villages will not be affected. So this Abdul Kalam's village also was in an interior place and it was not so much affected. But soon India was forced to join the Allied force and something like a state of emergency was declared. Now Allied forces means that you study in your history, the armies of UK, USA and Russia during the Second World War, that is Allied force. India was supposed to join these three countries, UK, USA and Russia. And something they declared now emergency. Now corona time we know no lockdown. So like that only something emergency in India was declared. The first casualty came in the form of the suspension of the train halt at Rameshwaram station. Now there was first they stopped. What they stopped? They stopped the train. Which station? Rameshwaram station. They stopped the train. The newspaper now had to be bundled and thrown out from the moving train on the Rameshwaram road between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. Now the newspapers, now what they used to do, there was no, a train was not stopping in Rameshwaram. So what they had to do, they had to collect the newspapers, they had to make it bundle and they should throw from where in Rameshwaram train is not going to stop. So from the train they used to thrown out from the moving train on the Rameshwaram road between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. There they used to throw the newspapers. Since there was no train halt, that's the reason they used to, moving train only, they used to throw the newspapers when the Rameshwaram station came. That forced my cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspapers in Rameshwaram. Now what happened when they used to throw newspapers at Rameshwaram, this Samsuddin used to, what he used to do? He used to collect the newspapers and distribute in Rameshwaram. Now who used to distribute? His cousin Samsuddin. To look for a helping hand to catch the bundles, and as if naturally I filled the slot. Slot means here empty space. Now nobody was there for him to help. So who helped him? Abdul Kalam helped. Samsuddin helped me earn my first wages. See, Abdul Kalam earned his first wages by selling the newspaper. Half a century later, I can still feel the surge of pride in earning my own money for the first time. See, now he feels that he has earned his money for the first time by selling the newspapers. After listening to the lesson, dear children, kindly comment on that so that I know that you all have seen the lesson. Thank you.